Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, as we discussed earlier through the figure, how the firm is going to earn the equilibrium in the short run. What are the total revenue curve, total cost curve and all. Now we are going to, directly we are going to see the how to firm is going to earn the profit through the calculations. Now the one calculation is given here, see. One calculation is given. Calculate the following: the MR and MC schedule, marginal revenue and marginal cost schedule. Question is like this, very important for 6 marks. This time also it came for the annual examination. B is the quantity for which MR MC is equal, marginal revenue and marginal cost is equal. Question C, the equilibrium quantity for output and price. And question D is the total revenue, total cost and total profit of the equilibrium firm. How to get the total revenue, total cost and total profit under equilibrium firm under the monopoly situation. So, question is given here, see here, this is a calculation given here, quantity given until 1, 0 to 8 units produced, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 quantity produced. Prices of the commodity are given 52, 44, 36, 31, 26, 22, 19, 16, 13 respectively. Total cost of the firm is cost incurred on the production, it means 10, 60, 90, 100, 102, 105, 109, 115, 125 each. Now we are going to calculate. How to calculate this with the help of 4 questions. First we are going to see how to get the MR and MC schedule. First we should do the MR and MC schedule. All the formulas we already know to calculate MR and MC. First we should write the question to the answer. Here we are going to see the answer. See here, quantity produced given 0 to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quantity or output written as it is, write down. Price, next write the price, that is 52, 44, then 36, then 31, 26, then 22, 19, 16, 13, 16, 13. Next total cost also given here, see here, total cost also given here, right, same as it is in the column wise, row wise they are giving, you should convert it to the column wise, don't be confused. So 10, 60, 90, 100, 10, 60, 90, 100, 102, 105, 102, 105, 109, 115, 125. Like these calculations are given, we should convert the row into column wise. Next, we should find the TR. These are all in the question itself. No need to change anything. Now the answer starts. TR. How to calculate total revenue? TR is equal to P into Q, as we know the formula. Price into quantity. How to calculate TR means price into quantity. So first we should calculate price into quantity, that is initial price is 52, quantity produced is 0, 52 into 0 is 0, 44 into 1 is 44, then 36 into 2, next is 36 into 2, that is 72, again 31 into 3, 31 into 3, that is, again we are going to calculate, that is 93. 93. Again price into quantity, 26 into 4. 26 into 4 we are going to calculate to get the total revenue, that is 104. 104. Again price is 22, quantity produced is 5, that is 110. 110. Again the 19 into 6, price into quantity, 19 into 6, that is 114. 19 into 6 is 114. 16 into 7. 16 into 7 is 112. Again here last one, that is price into quantity, 13 into 8, that is 104. 104. 13 into 8 is 104. Price into quantity. This column, total revenue column is now we got. Next we are going to get marginal revenue schedule. How to get marginal revenue? As we know that formula to calculate marginal revenue is TRN minus 1. Total revenue of one unit minus total revenue of previous unit. Current unit to previous unit, you should subtract the total revenue column. Now we should see only the total revenue column. Concentrate on TR column. No need of worrying about TC and all. Leave that. Just concentrate on TR column. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 44 minus 0 is 44. Marginal revenue is also 44. Again this is 28. 72 minus 44 is 28. 93 minus 72, that is 19. 19. Again 104 minus 93, that is 11. Next 110 minus 104. 110 minus 104 is 6. 6 we are writing because 2 digits will look nice. Thus 114 to 110. 4. 4. Next 112 to 112 minus 114, negative value comes, that is minus 2. 104 minus 112 is minus 8. 8, exactly minus 8. It is minus 8. Negative value shows that marginal revenue decreasing below the OX axis as we studied in the diagram. So next we are going to deal with the MC, marginal cost schedule. How to calculate MC means TCN minus 1. Now we are going to concentrate only on the TC. That is 10 minus 10, 0. 60 minus 10, 50. Again 90 minus 60, 30. Again 100 minus 90, 10. Again 102 minus 100, 02. 105 minus 102, that is 3. 03 we are writing. 109 minus 105, that is 4. 04. Next 115 minus 109, that is 6. Next 125 minus 115, that is 10. Now the calculation is got over. Next, what is our main concentration means? First question is there. What is the first question? MR and MC schedule. Schedule finished. This is the question A. MR, MC schedule. Just we question A answer solved for the question A. This MR and MC schedule. Next, second question is the quantity for which MR and MC equal. Quantity for which MR and MC equal. We should see. MR is 4. MC is also 4. Quantity for which MR and MC is equal at unit 4. See here, we should draw the line here. MR and MC is equal. Where it is equal? See here, at 6th unit of production, quantity produced is 6th unit. Quantity produced is 6th unit. Concentrate properly here. Quantity for which MR and MC is equal. So, for producing quantity 6, here we can see MR and MC is equal because both MR and MC are 4. You should write in word. So, quantity for which MR and MC is equal means quantity is 6. For quantity 6, MR and MC is equal at quantity 6. 6th unit you can see MR is also 4, MC is also 4. Here you can see that both MR and MC are equal. Next question, A is over B is over C. The equilibrium quantity of output and price. Question C is equilibrium quantity of output and equilibrium price of the commodity. How to calculate this equilibrium quantity of price and equilibrium quantity? That is, equilibrium quantity is 6. Already we seen equilibrium quantity is 6. Equilibrium quantity is 6. Equilibrium output and price. Equilibrium output is, that is, total revenue is 114 with the 109. It means equilibrium price is 19. Price is 19. Quantity is 6. Price is 19. Quantity is 6 and price is 19. So, the equilibrium quantity is 6 and price is 19, under which MR and MC are equal. So, next one, last D is there. What it says means the TR and TC means total revenue, total cost and total profit of the equilibrium. They are going to get all the TC, TR and total profit. Here you are going to see that profit means TR minus TC. Profit means TR minus TC. Pi is equal to TR minus TC. That is, pi is equal to total revenue under the equilibrium situation MRMC is equal is 114 minus total cost is 109. Thus, total profit pi is equal to 114 minus 109 is 5. Profit is 5 means 5 units of profit is it is going to get. It is equal to 5. Therefore, profit is 5 and the revenue is 114 and total cost is 109. Total revenue is 114 and total cost is 109. Total revenue is 114 and total cost is 109. By subtracting these values TR minus TC, we are going to get the profit of the monopoly firm under the equilibrium, that is 5. So, for 6 marks you should do all these works, you will get the complete 6 marks, no any doubt. You should write as it is in the horizontal. They are giving the horizontal format. Question is given and all 4 questions are given. So, for that what you are going to do means first A you are going to do the MR and MC schedule. As it is you are writing quantity, price and total cost. It is there in the question only. Horizontal form you should convert to the vertical form in the column wise. Row to column, convert that. Right as it is, no need to change any values. Next you are going to see the total revenue, that is formula to calculate total revenue is price into quantity. Price into quantity, then you are going to get the all the price column to the quantity column. Each columns you are going to, each rows you are going to multiply the values, you are going to get the total revenue of the firm under monopoly situation. MR means TRN minus 1. During calculating MR you should concentrate only on the TR line because calculation depends on formula TRN minus 1. So here TRN is 0, initial stage 0 minus 0 is 0. So TRN is 44, TRN minus 1 is 0, that is 44. Like that, go on, you are subtracting the values from TRN to TRN minus 1, you are going to get the MR, that is marginal revenue. Last one is marginal cost. So TCN minus 1, you should concentrate on total cost column, that is 10 minus 10 is 0, 60 minus 10 is 50 and 90 minus 60 is 30, 100 minus 90 is 10, 102 minus 100 is 2, 105 minus 102 is 3, 109 minus 105 is 4, 115 minus 104 is 6 and 125 minus 115, that is 10. Like this we are going to calculate, and whatever this column only we are going to make special part of the 6th unit, because only you are going to do the row or table for only 6th unit. It would look nice, and also they can understand which is the proper answer and easy to make out MR and MC. Here MR and MC is equal at the 4th, MRMC equal at 6th unit, 4 each. Both MR and MC is 4 each. So total revenue is 114, total cost is 105. Thus total profit is TR minus TC, 114 minus 109 is 5. So price at which this quantity profit is 5 means price is 19 and quantity produced is 6 units. So in the next class we are going to discuss about other non-competitive markets. Thank you for watching this video.